Okay, unboxing of the Jeep Mopar step guards. There's the part number. Looks like we got a couple wipes, some instructions, two rears. Oh, they're pretty solid plastic. Come with the pre 3M tape on them. Fronts. Oh yeah, that's nice. Gladiator logo on it. Same thing, Gladiator logo with some diamond plating imprint on the plastic. With the 3M tape already on it. Has a little notch right here to indicate where you stick it on the body seam on the fronts and on the rears. Right there's a little notch in it. Very nice. Hope to get them installed today, and I'll do an update with them installed.